I'm the best fiance in the world. Shut up.
आंटी क्या बोल रही है? देखो ये
जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा.
तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा.
Who was the one to confess first? I've trained him well. Leave residency.
Yeah.
How many breakups did you have to go through?
Not back out. ये ऐसे जो भी है ये. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video.
Hi guys! Finally, the video that you have been waiting for, the engagement, post-engagement Q&A, we are shooting just for you. बोलो इसको इसको
मैं
लेके
बोलना ही
आए.
भूल गया. मुझे अभी फर्स्ट ईयर रेसिडेंट हूँ यार. मैं मुझे यस सर यस मैम ओके के अलावा शब्द ही नहीं आता है कुछ.
Anyways, without making any other stupid talks,
Okay.
we will directly get into the Q&A.
Okay.
So I just went through all the questions that everyone asked and सबका सबसे पहला यही सवाल है, how did this relationship start?
Of course, it started in the first year. A1 since day one. That was the thing. No, A1 since day one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started dating in mid of first year. In March we started dating. But before that, we were just friends. First friends, hi bye friends, then good friends, then best friends, then BFFs. Then I became her BF.
Okay. But what they want to know is who was the one to confess first?
अपने आप ही हो गया.
When are you guys planning to get married?
Planning to get married soon.
Soon. ऐसा कोई टाइमलाइन या डेट या ईयर भी फिक्स्ड नहीं है, बट सून.
Soon.
डोंट नो.
रेसिडेंसी के बाद या पहले पता नहीं.
देखोगे पता चलेगा, पता नहीं. Why was Nainish not in front of the camera for so long?
My front camera was not working.
Shut up. Please. ऐसा बोलोगे तो कैसा चलेगा?
Oh man, long story guys. उसके लिए अलग वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. इतना
तो
इतना टाइम हो गया अभी.
क्या तुम वो वीडियो बनाओगे?
हाँ मैं बनाऊंगा.
How do you guys manage long distance relationship? Because I know it's hard. How do you do it? Guys, ऐसा तो कुछ मतलब we feel कि COVID was a good testing time.
हाँ,
कि
बहुत
तब
सही आया
was
है.
the first time we had like a long distance thing. तो कोविड के टाइम पे हमें थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया आया था, बट इट वाज मोर लाइक वी यूज्ड टू टॉक डेली. मतलब फेस टाइम होता था या फिर फ़ोन, कुछ भी कॉल्स ये सब, तो दैट वाज ओके. बट इन रेसिडेंसी इट्स एक्चुअली गेटिंग अ बिट टफ, क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे हर बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि आज मेरा ड्यूटी है, कल इसका ड्यूटी है,
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद मैं पोस्ट ड्यूटी हूँ, फिर वो पोस्ट ड्यूटी है, तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता बात करने का. तो इसलिए अब भी थोड़ा रेसिडेंसी में, लास्ट ईयर आई वाज फर्स्ट ईयर एंड ही वाज स्टिल प्रिपेयरिंग, तो जब मैं फ्री होती थी तो इसको कॉल लग के मतलब बात तो होती थी. बट अभी व्हेन ही इज आल्सो इनटू रेसिडेंसी इट्स बिकमिंग अ बिट टफ, बट आई थिंक वी आर मैनेजिंग.
यार कहीं ना सर्वाइव करने के लिए क्या चाहिए इंसान? खाना चाहिए, थोड़ी नींद चाहिए, पानी चाहिए. बाकी सब इंसान की नीयत पे होता है.
Next question. When did you first see or notice each other?
When did I first see you? I think so I saw you first anatomy dissection hall either or biochemistry, that classroom.
अच्छा.
No, not classroom, like that lab के बाजू में there's a small classroom, right?
Yeah,
Before
yeah.
going to the lab we go there.
Yeah.
And you were, I think so I saw you first there in that classroom mostly or dissection hall.
I think I saw him first in the dissection hall
You
only.
saw me
No,
first in your
in
dreams, bro.
Shut up. I saw him first in physiology practicals. At least 3 best qualities in each other that you guys genuinely love. And Anish will go first.
ये क्या यार? 3 good
3
qualities.
best qualities.
Okay. Rujuta is very hardworking. Number one. दूसरी है कि she is very kind. तीसरी है she is very caring. अच्छी क्वालिटी है ना. हार्ड वर्किंग बोला, काइंड बोला, केयरिंग बोला.
Good job.
Yeah.
I've trained him well.
अभी
Okay.
4 बार अटके ऊपर में स्क्रिप्ट.
ठीक है. About him, 3 good qualities. One is he can make sure that everyone around him is having a good time, even if he is not. So that is a good quality. Second is he is also very kind and caring. And third quality is sweet, good looking. Nice. Done. बहुत हो गया. Next question is almost similar. How do you guys maintain work-life balance?
कुछ नहीं भाई, बैलेंस ही नहीं है लाइफ में. काय का बैलेंस भाई, सिर्फ वर्क दिखता है मुझे, बैलेंस आ ही नहीं रहा कहीं से भी लाइफ में. ओनली वर्क है गाइस, कुछ नहीं है उसके अलावा, सिर्फ काम ही चल रहा है. इसका चल रहा है वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, ये मजे कर रही है. इसका रेसिडेंसी एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है लोगों की. किसी ने भी ऐसा रेसिडेंसी नहीं देखा जो रुजुता कर रही है.
When did you both feel that he or she is the one?
आई थिंक सो बाय द एंड ऑफ थर्ड ईयर ऐसा आने लगा कि हाँ यार,
मैंने तो स्टार्टिंग से बोला था ही इज द वन. बस
ये
थोड़ा लेट
scam
है.
ये पूरा.
ठीक है बट ओके. मेरे लिए तो स्टार्टिंग से था
कुछ
गाइस.
नहीं गाइस, घर से परमिशन मिलने के बाद इसने फाइनल किया है.
शर्म.
तब तक कुछ नहीं था. फिर बता यार,
नहीं
आंटी
नहीं
भी
जब से
देखेंगे
देखा.
वीडियो. आंटी क्या बोल रही है देखो ये.
जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा.
तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना, तुमसे कोई प्यारा,
यूं नजरें न
फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम, कह दिया कह दिया.
You are my Sonia.
नेक्स्ट.
How many breakups did you have to go through
ये
before?
घर वाले वीडियो देखते हैं यार. I think so.
None.
No,
मेरा
no.
तो none.
वंदू
One.
वंदू.
I feel 3.
नहीं, not this. वंदू.
One. I think it's 2 only.
Hey, what man? One only. Get to break up ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು break up.
2.
ಒಂದು. Okay, fine.
What are your plans after PG?
As of now, my plan is to survive PG. Okay, and if I survive, if I make it till the end, then after that I just want to live, not live. I want to live my life on my own terms.
Leave residency.
Yeah, I want to live my life on my own terms. I want to wake up when I want. I want to sleep whenever I want. I want to eat whatever I want. I want to do whatever I want.
What is the best time you guys have spent together, or your best memory with each other till now?
So most of the trips whenever
Yeah,
we have
traveling together.
traveling,
I
100%.
think.
Like
All
short
like
trip, long
I
trips,
think
whatever it is.
post NEET Europe trip,
Yeah.
and now
Manali
post
trip
engagement Amsterdam trip, and Manali trip.
Manali
All the
trip,
travelings
yeah.
have been amazing.
10 on 10.
Why did you guys decide to keep this hidden for so long? Like we never even got a hint in any of your videos. You two look perfect together. No nazar thu thu thu.
Yeah, very good.
We wanted to make it official when it is
Yeah,
official. You know?
100%,
When we
yeah.
both are doing something which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
like going
and
to be
Nazar is
permanent.
real, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we cannot back out. Yeah.
Yes.
ऐसे जो भी है. Yeah.
What is one annoying habit of each other? His annoying habit is, I will tell you, when you're talking to him and उसके हाथ में अगर उसका फोन है तो उसको पता नहीं, वो सुन भी लेता है लेकिन ऐसा लगता ही नहीं ये अटेंशन दे रहा है.
क्या यार घूम फिर के बात है अटेंशन
नहीं,
पे.
वही तो, ये रिवर्स में तेरे ऊपर है. तो अटेंशन देता नहीं है. दैट इज योर अनोइंग हैबिट.
अच्छा, तुझे अटेंशन ज्यादा चाहिए तेरे नहीं.
या
नहीं
Wow.
नहीं, रुजुता का अनोइंग हैबिट क्या हो सकता है?
कोई अनोइंग हैबिट नहीं. प्लीज, आई एम द बेस्ट गर्लफ्रेंड, fiance. I'm the best fiance in the world. Shut up. Where are you guys gonna settle? Solapur or Pune? We don't know. We really don't know. Alright guys, so I think most of the questions were this only. How did you know she's the one? How did you meet each other? Who fell first? Let us know what you want to see from us. So the thing is that I am in Hyderabad, he is in Manipal. Our timings hardly match. But
Yeah.
if you want to see some videos where we are together, like maybe we are shooting together and then screen recording or something.
Okay.
But then that has to be short and sweet. So any kind of fun games or activities that you want to
Fine.
see us playing, you let us know if you have any ideas. And if you liked this video, make sure
Guys,
to
like, share, and subscribe.
yeah, and don't forget to send this or share this video with your UG friends or anyone. You know, I got a comment that was saying, I'm looking at all your old videos.
Oh.
So tell us which is one of your favorite video from all the videos that we've made. Keep one ring emoji if you've watched the entire video, and we know that
You are the
you've
OG.
yeah.
You are the OG and the PG.
Whatever. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys again soon, and it was a fun Q&A, and we love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye. Ghaneda.